All right, guys. So the first step in drafting the hood is that you're going to have to take measurements. You just need 2 measurements to start with. So follow along in your book. And the first measurement is the overhead measurement, and the second one is the horizontal measurement. So, you would use measuring tape if you're doing this in person, but since we're using Clo, we're going to use the measuring tape in the software. And there's more than one measuring tape. They have measuring tape for your fabric, and then they also have it for the avatar. So you want to make sure you find the right one. Mine is kind of hidden down at the bottom, I believe. Let me make sure I'm getting the right one. No, it's not. It's actually right here. Okay. So, yeah, it's just, I think I just click it. Just basic tape. Yeah, basic tape measure. I know there's a lot of choices. Make sure it says avatar behind it, so you're not using the garment one. We want to measure the avatar. And you notice when I clicked it, the toggle menu automatically changed the fabric to the translucent surface so we can see through, which is great. We really want to get right here, like at our, what do they call it, the clavicle bone. Just click one time. And then we're going to go up around her face, kind of in front of her ears. I'm going to kind of click one time just to secure that point. I could probably hold Command to get some curves going up to the top of her forehead. Woo, rotating like crazy there. I'm going to keep holding Command so it stays curved. Okay, ooh, that's a sensitive point. Clicking that. I let go of Command that time, and then now I'm just going to come straight down to where I started and finish it off. To finish it off, you're going to want to double click. Click, click. Okay. It does say how long it is. You can't really see it, right? It's up here. It's like 25 something. If you're having trouble seeing it, you can hit the edit tool. That's the measuring tape with the little white arrow, and it kind of turned it red, which is sort of neat. So it says it's 25.735. I'm rounding that up for sure to 25 3/4, 25.75. I absolutely recommend rounding this to the nearest eighth at least, maybe even 1/4 inch. Yeah, because it's just like a reference point to start. Your course, after you draft, you'll conduct a fitting. So I recommend getting to the nearest eighth or 1/4 inch. Okay, cool. So mine is 25 3/4. It says to record 1/3 of it and then add 3/4 inch. I don't know why. I have no idea why it says that, but I guess we'll follow the formula. If you don't like math, it's great to pull up your calculator. 25.75 divided by 3 equals plus 0.75 equals 9 1/3. Oh gosh. I might actually just round this guy to 9 3/8, to be honest with you. I don't know. We are doing this in Clo. Maybe it's fine to just use 9.33. Okay, so now I'm going to do the tape at the hairline and eye level and measure to the other side. And we're going to record just half of that measurement. Okay. So I got my tape. I'm going to switch back to the actual tool, measuring tool. I was in the edit. And I'm finding her eye level, and I guess I will just click one time. Right click around. Okay, I might hold shift just to keep the it parallel to the floor. Right click, holding shift, click. Still holding shift, and then I'll do my double click. Click, click. Okay, cool. And then I have that measurement as well. What did I get? Okay, I mean, should I just use this number? I guess I'll use it instead of rounding to 1/4. It's up to you guys, but we just want it close. So we have to divide this in half. So I'm going to say, what was it? 12.844? 12.844 divided by 2 equals, honestly, if I was doing this by hand or anywhere else, I probably would just use 6.5, just to make your life a little bit easier. Okay, so that's how you get your 2 measurements, and then look for the next videos on how to actually draft the hood.